project here has to be done. I've actually got to Gerni all this down, get rid of all this mould and stuff on here, let it dry for a few days and use a 2-pack paint. But all this has got to come off. All that mould. Excuse me, lovey. Let it dry out. For white primer, so that's a part A, and this is a 2-pack, is a part B. This is called Lux Epoxy for white primer, so that's the name of it. So this can would have to be 8 years old, and it's just been put in the shed with a lid on, and I was able to pull it out, and it had a liquid on the top, but I was able to pull it out and use it. Pot life's 8 hours, so you can mix that and you know, spend a couple of hours brushing. So you got 1 part of this, 4 parts of that. Okay, so as it says here, part A 4, part B 1. So, and that's how I mixed it, and I just mixed it in a paint pot.
Starters, one out of a million will reach those heights. Always in the field and then I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rise.
So if you learn a bit of painting skills, you can incorporate that into a lot of other stuff. Just don't get lazy. If you get lazy and start using spray gun and everything, you're going to fail big time. Use that brush, use that roller, get plenty of paint in there, because that's the secret. It's all about protecting the surface that you're working on. Now we can't protect the surface with a little tiny spray coat over the top. It's just not going to work properly.